Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just got this lovely Mercedes ML. It's in absolutely lovely condition. Lots of extras on it. It's in gleaming black metallic. It's got front park distance control. It's just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. It's got privacy glass to the rear. Just arrived. It's got park distance control. Side steps, AMG body styling. Look at that, it's absolutely gleaming in this weather. Privacy glass to the rear. Drives are absolutely superb. Oh, electric tailgate. Boot area is in lovely condition. Got the rear parcel shelf. Got the half leather Alcantara interior, all in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric seats. It's only done 98,701 miles. Just start the car up. Starts and sounds lovely. Auto headlights, paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control. Park distance control with a camera, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, 3-stage heated seats. So it's got everything you want. Climate control, aux and USBs, electric passenger. Sounds lovely. At DJH we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For requiring further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.